Good morning, guys. Seems like we want like Wednesday's high and then we can go lower. I've hopped on stream earlier today. I don't know. Uh, like, is this the news event? I thought this one's meant to be stronger. I mean, I believe it should be stronger. I don't know why it's not stronger. What I was thinking we could do was we like wake up and then, or we just run up and then we go back down. But this news literally has done nothing. Like, it's literally done nothing. I mean, if we inverse this 30-second, I will take a long. Although the ideal scenario is we come sweep this and then we think about going back up. I don't know why, I'm just inclined that now we just come back down, hit this at least, and then we think about going back up. Although we can like respect this 5-minute gap, this one, there's no other. Okay, one is this one and another one is this one. So we could respect one of those and go back up. But other than that, I don't really see any reason. I mean, we have not closed below this 1 minute. I mean, yeah, on the 1 minute we're gonna find a bunch of them. We can like whatever. But if it's not there on the 5, I'm more inclined that we'll just run through everything. Okay, yeah, if we inverse this, then the data wick should get hit. I've not taken anything. Don't try copy that sound, bruv. Don't try copy that sound. If we inverse this in 1 minute, this is the setup. But of course you go break even once it takes that, so depending on where it closes or where it doesn't. Yeah, you want to wait for the close in this one. You can't I mean, if you want like a better RR, lower win rate, you can enter now or enter off this gap. It's not advisable though. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's going to return this gap right here. Like after we close above, we'll like wick down and then go back up, but just stick to the setup. If it closes somewhere like way above, then yeah, we're not interested. It can run without us, honestly. I don't care. But if it closes like somewhere where price is somewhere there, then yeah, we can enter that and then take it to at least data wick, so that's like a free 10 points. But if it closes like way above, you don't want to even take anything like that. Like, yeah, it will hit, but I mean, it should hit, but like risk management and all of that, discipline, you don't have any of that if you do take that. Once it like closes way above, unless like your stop is, I don't know, you find like a 15-second order block and place it there, but like, yeah. So it did close above. I'll put a limit right here, and if it comes back, it tags us in, well and good. If it doesn't, you can't do anything about it. So if it hits this data wick before we get tagged in, then we're not interested in it anymore. Seems like we're about to get tagged in. Oof, we did not get tagged in. We did. I think that's really loud for you guys as well, cause like IRL, the tone is like really loud. So I wonder, like, you guys must be like freaking out. Yeah, this is like same like yesterday, and just one setup should hit this level, but I mean, yeah, that's where I'll go break even and we take it off fully up here. I also need to change this. Let me do that right now. So more settings, trading, over here I'll put percentage. So okay, will it not update right now? Excuse me. Apply to all should be in percentage. Maybe since we're already in the trade, it's not going to change, but yeah, I think percentage is the best one to have it in, because when you really see like big percentage, like 1% of the account, that's how you know, holy shit, that's a big trade, especially if you've done risk management and everything. So it is chop, this is like a B setup, but it should play out like I mean, now basically all we're waiting for is this to get inversed. If this gets inversed, we're home free. If it doesn't, then yeah, we can come hit a stop loss. But we have 46 seconds, so either this one or the next one should inverse it. If it doesn't, then it's likely going to be a stop loss. Oh, it changed to percentage. Now the stop loss changed to percentage. Okay, so trading, profit and loss percentage applied to all. Okay. No, so I guess the floating we have it on percentage, and the other one we have it on ticks. So position, yeah, so this one we have it on ticks and apply to all. So we didn't inverse, so likely stop loss. But it can happen like yesterday again, it will come like somewhere down here, play funky donkey, and then go up. Although there was that 15-second gap like this one, so like the bottom of this fair value gap, it can possibly just want to tap into that before going up. Make sure to leave a like, sub, share it to your friends as well. 2025 we're going crazy. This is just one of those set and forget, put your stop loss, TP, set and forget it. If you want to be really like, what do you call, super secure of your position, and have like a really high win rate, you can go break even after it took this high basically right now. So you'll go break even on this position. There is like a 50% 60% chance you'll go break even, but I mean you would be protected if it was to reverse. So yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I wouldn't do that, not in this situation. As you can see here, we have stream account, balance equity, after going on tilt yesterday, recovering some, and yeah. I mean, I don't know what to say. Like, I thought 8:30 news was meant to be like bigger. It wasn't bigger. Kind of feel like even just hopping off stream and coming back at like around 9:15, but just like 30 minutes to it, and I've already opened the charts and I'm in a trade. But like, just look at this. This is on the 5-minute. This ES on the 5-minute. Like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Chop 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 chop. Like, what is this nonsense? I mean, just because of this price action right now, it's really choppy, and that's why I believe 9:30 should give a big move, and price action should like get really better around 9:30. But yeah, it's looking rough right now. Like, even NQ on the 5-minute probably chop. So let me turn this off. I mean, you can see it started clearing up somewhere down here, but like it's still not cleared up fully, so you can't say much about it. It's not advisable to trade in such conditions. It's super like nonsensical. I mean, I guess the smarter thing would be to go break even. So I guess, okay, yeah, if I'll go break even. Realistically, in this kind of setup, you don't want to go break even, but I'm going to go break even because it's just choppy, like choppy conditions, high resistance liquidity conditions. You don't want to be part of this. And I'll move this up 1 tick, so if it comes back down, it kicks us out at the right time and not like freaking 500 seconds later. Yeah, so there we go. Stopped out break even. Gonna take that. I shouldn't have taken, just to see what happens. We just leave it, and I'm gonna take all of this off. I mean, it did close above on the 3-minute now, so if you're in it, you could be straight. Although it can wick down below this and then continue going up. I'm just going to leave that 15-second fair value gap marked out. I think it's worth a try from here, like low-key, from like the CE of this. So like somewhere here, because it'll be like a fast wick up and down, So yeah, I guess we can use this as a better entry, and then this one we can actually take it off right here rather than higher up if we get tagged in. If we don't, then I mean, well and good, at least we didn't lose money. And yeah, you're meant to like go really light on this since it's like choppy market conditions. There we go, tagged in, filled the 15-second gap, and now we should inverse this one back up. So like if you want extra confirmation, if we close above this 15-second gap, you can take it off there, put your stop at this low. I think we have a SMT there on the smaller time frame. Possible. Let me see. No, we don't. Okay, if we had the SMT, would be more higher probability, especially if we inverse, but we don't, so we can just continue down. Yeah, so the realistic entry for like the best, what do you call, probability on your side would be to take it once it closes above this gap up here. I entered off here because we're getting a good risk to reward, and even if you enter from here, I mean, it's still choppy conditions, so it could still be a stop loss. Like, these are not high probability conditions. Like today you should just be light. I mean, as of right now you should be light. Maybe it clears up around open, but right now you should just be light sized, like really light sized. We kind of need to close above this. If we don't, then stop loss anyways. I'm kind of inclined to like, hey bro, no worries bro. I mean, I'm here as long as we get like people that are like decent and they talk around. It's like a whole vibe. I don't mind streaming daily, but yeah, I mean, like tomorrow I know it's gonna be choppy. Just a second, like you see right now, if it closes below this gap and this gap, like I'm not comfortable in this trade anymore, so I might just cut it over there. Yeah, so we cut it there. I cut mine because yeah, if I'm not comfortable, I'm not taking it. It can go up now, I don't care, but like it closed below those two gaps and it is high resistance, so it's better to take a small L and lose in commission rather than try again. Yeah, done. We tried two trades on that. We are done. It can run without us. I don't care. If you're in it and you feel like risking it, yeah, sure. I mean, you're still good as long as this 1 minute is not inverse down, probably. But even if it's inverse down, I mean, it can come down till somewhere here like 44 and then go back up. But like, I mean, I'm not comfortable taking that risk, especially with the conditions today. It's not a smart thing to do. It's not something what do you call a disciplined trader would do. So if a disciplined trader is not doing that, I don't want to be doing that. If you held, congratulations. Seems like you win. But I mean, I wasn't just comfortable. I wasn't feeling it in that one. Like, with this job, I mean, it's better to just get kicked out break even than take a loss. And we've taken like basically 2 break evens already before market has opened. I wasn't just feeling it. Like, yeah, it's still valid, but with the momentum and shit we have right now, it's tricky. Like, I mean, yeah, if I really wanted to, if I was chasing price and price action was better, maybe I could enter off this 2 minute gap again. But yeah, if you're in it, congratulations. Should be at least a break even for you. Like, once we, I mean, you possibly you can just go break even after this high or this equal highs up here. But yeah, I can't be asked. Where's YM heading to? That's what I don't understand. I mean, we have a SMT at the highs now again. What is this doing? So I'll go to the 1 hour on this and the 1 hour on this. Also the 1 hour on this one. Oof, we filled this gap and dumped. We didn't feel this gap though. I mean, we are possibly coming to sweep liquidity here. GU hasn't, so I mean, there is a SMT right now over there, so could be possible like GU dump from there if it was like bearish. Because I'm pretty sure, yeah, right there. I mean, EU has swept that, GU hasn't, so holy, yeah. Let me look at this 5 minutes candle close. The previous one was a down close. Those news, oh my god, I'm so confused, bro. It's fine, let's just wait. Patience pays. Sweep, order block, fair value gap. Okay. Yeah. I guess we can treat this as the accumulation for today. And then, I mean, macro started right now, but this macro usually consolidates. I have no freaking idea what it's doing. And I'm happy I'm out of this mess. Because, you know, such job like this drains like your mental energy so much. Like, it's honestly, it's like so unhealthy. Like it'll just drain you. So I don't even know how to explain. This shit just drains. Like, you know, such kind of trades, they just drain you because they like confuse the fuck out of you. And you're like, okay, I don't know what to do. I don't know what not to do. And then you're just so lost. Like look at this. You think, okay, now it'll continue flying up. And then you just see a down close candle. And you're like, okay, what the hell is going on? Yeah. If this hits TP, can't be asked. If it hits stop loss, I'll be grateful. If it hits TP, that's the price I paid to freaking stay out of this chop. That's how I take it as. It's a price of paying out of chop if it hits your target during chop. And if it hits your stop loss, it was your mistake. You weren't meant to be in that trade at the first place. So we're possibly just like tapping into the 2 minute again. Yeah, this inverse, but like, look at this. I mean, we could use this like as a dealing range or some shit like that. Like once one of the sides swept, it can go back to the other side, and then both sides have external targets as well. So I mean, if we leave this, we don't touch it, we can come back here later on, and I'm more interested in that then, because then it just means we should run down like a lot. Maybe open will run down, we sweep these like relative equal lows, and then we think of going back up. So hopefully we can catch like 60 points up or some shit like that, like 50 points would be good. I mean, I know this whole week's going to be lame, especially tomorrow, like Thanksgiving, and then freaking markets are closed on Friday for certain hours and shit. Today is the last trading day of the week, if I'm meant to be honest, that you can like find something. If you have a higher probability to find something valid. Like, look at this. This is what I mean, chop. Like, what is this? There's this gap. We break through it again, and then we break through it again. Like, that's just pure chop until like at least this low is not taken, or this one, I'm not interested to take anything again, or we go up and sweep something. If you guys trade this, all the best. It might be one of the reasons you lose, because you don't want to be part of this. I mean, yeah, it took 2 break evens, but still, like, you don't want to be in this mess. If bro, yeah, you know what would be like, I don't know if you guys are old or not, but like, you know, red flags in like girls and people and stuff. If we leave this 2 minute fair value gap right now, that's like a massive red flag. It's like, just wait for price action to become better. I mean, this is already like a red flag. It's like 70% red flag. But if we left this 2 minute gap as well, again, that's ugly. Okay, 1 hour candle is about to close, so oof. Yeah, I mean, this is also something to note down. If we inverse this 1 hour fair value gap around like 10, could be straight. I don't know if we have a SMT down here. Let me check. So we do have a one here. Oof, that could be a driving factor up. So if we inverse this, we can expect at least this side to get hit. Maybe this one, ultimately this one as well. But like, we're in this range for like, I don't know how many days. Like, this is what, Monday. Since Monday we're just in this range, playing around. No big moves, nothing. Yeah, more news at 10 a.m. But bro, Empire, it's like tough in this, bro. It's like a mess. Yeah, news had no effect. I thought it would have effect, that's why I came on earlier, but I guess not. Like, if you look at this, 8:30, I mean, it's not refreshed, but let me just do that. Like, I mean, we have some at 9:45, 10. So maybe, yeah, it'll probably clear out after 10. I mean, we don't have FOMC or anything, so that's the only good thing. Yeah, like, tomorrow's bank holiday, and then freaking Friday should just chop, because the days after bank holiday is just dog shit. I can't be asked. And there you go, stop loss hits. Nothing new. Trade safe. I like the vibes of this guy. Empire Steve, thank you for tuning in. You know, whenever I see Empire Steve, I like remember. I don't know if you guys have played Minecraft. Minecraft, there's the character called Steve. That's who I remember always at first. I mean, ES has inverted this, so seems like we clearly want to go higher. So let's hope we can go way lower for now. Take this low at least, and then we go a little lower, and then we can see what to do. I mean, ES has equal lows right here, so maybe we go lower. And that's what's most ideal for us. Like, we go lower, see better price action after that, and then we get a really good setup to come back up and take this. And that's why it's important to mark out some levels, because price can just disappear from there like really quick for no reason, and then it'll come back for no reason as well. Look at that. Oof. I think that this is like the news after effect. It was meant to be during news. Did we perfectly respect it? Nah. Keep in mind, yeah, it just been 5 minutes. This hourly candle has started, and we've just basically only gone down from 9 o'clock. There's almost no move up. Makes me more inclined that we'll get a move up later on. I mean, this should get hit late at least. But yeah, later on when we inverse above this 5 minutes, clearly you can go for longs, because it's like what, 950 to 970. I mean, yeah, it wouldn't close somewhere there, but just an average estimate. One more thing I need to see. Oof. Okay, that's a 1 hour. Yeah, be really careful. Be really careful today. Dollar is going down for the past 2 candles. NQ on the 5 minute has gone down as well. When those two go down together, NQ is most likely to chop. And that's literally what we've been seeing. Be really careful. I mean, could be a coincidence, but I don't think so, because what's this, 3 green candles, 1 2, maybe 15 minutes will be more clear, because it just shows you better. The past 2 candles on the 15 are bearish. And what about NQ? One is bullish, one is bearish. Yeah, I mean, be careful. It just looks like it's going to chop more the whole day, especially after I saw that. Oof. And we don't have SMT here either, because GU just broke through that. This is just a fake move. Guaranteed we're going down, fake move. We need to go back up. Just that now that we've confirmed that this is a fake move, we need to find our entry. it'll probably take a while to like clear up and shit. So yeah, I mean, how's your day so far today? What did you do? My day was pretty boring. Just woke up, talked to the few people, and then here I am. I'm gonna sit here and push to talk. I mean, I don't see anything that's like really good or even like average. If it's not even average, like, especially we need to be careful today, so tomorrow's bank holiday, so I don't know. One thing I can't figure out, where is this drawing to? Like, excuse me, did we fill this gap at all? No. Okay, possible this is the draw for YM. And if that's a draw and you really want to try it, oof, we basically, yeah, I mean, your entry should be here. Okay, I won't take this, but if you are certain this is going to be the top over here, basically the setup I see would have been once this closed, so right here with your stop loss at the high, and your freaking TP would be freaking nuts. Like, it would be down here. At least to that gap, maybe 50%, but like when you're catching such a big target, like, to hell with it, honestly. If my draw is correct, this should play out. I mean, we're too late to enter because, like, yeah, we're already down. I don't know freaking how many. I don't even know the point system on YM. I'm going to mark out all of these lows. I think they're going to play important parts today. I mean, yeah, I'm bullish but bearish at the same time, since like we've not manipulated the up this 1 hour. I mean, yeah, occasionally we don't, but we should. So we should get something over there. Maybe around 9:30 or 10 we get something up there, or like 9:30 just runs up, get a quick sweep of this high, and then we go down, or ES gets a quick like sweep of this high. I mean, ES has already gotten a sweep there. Oof, I didn't see that earlier. Holy shit. This 5-minute gap will play out. I didn't see we had a sweep, I mean a SMT up there initially. I seriously didn't see that. I just saw that right now. That's why we didn't. That's why the other setup didn't work either, because we had a SMT up there. Although it is possible we can run back up and then come back down, but like we had a SMT up there, so yeah, we clearly did. I didn't see this. I think I was on the 1 minute or something. I don't know. I didn't see this. Like, clearly AS has swept this candle, even YM has, but NQ didn't. But we have equal highs on ES. Or here comes the manipulation move. Oof, it's good. I mean, bro, I'm getting so lost. It's like chopping so much. Fuck. I just got an email from freaking Elite Trader Funding that they have a 90% sale, but I don't know. I've not tried the account. Once I went to try, and I sat on checkout for some time, and then I was like, okay, no, I'm not going to buy it. And then what happened was, after a while, they sent me an email saying, you're sitting on our checkout page, finish the checkout page, something like that. And I was like, okay, that's sketchy as hell. So I wasn't interested in it. I don't know, I just didn't like the fact that they were literally just watching me sit on checkout page. I mean, there's no SMT at the lows, so yeah, it'll go without us. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Frick. I mean, if I was to look at it, better price action should be after we break this range. This high and this low. After we break Monday's range is when we should get something. Like something clean, or like, I don't know how to explain. But like, look, this wick is abnormal. Like, when we come to fill it, we're just going to dump 100 points. Like, 100. No, I think it's more than 100. What the hell? 600 to freaking 500. No, yeah, so it's like about 100 and 150 points. That's 915 right there. I'm gonna take some of these things off. We don't need them anymore. Oh, that was the day of Nvidia earnings. Freaking hit the target of this size and then freaking went down 170 points. I was actually trying to hold it through and go higher, but I got stopped at break even. So I didn't long like during Nvidia earnings. I entered like somewhere off, yeah, I guess where these alerts are, somewhere off there, and then I went break even 1 minute before Nvidia earnings came out, and then the minute Nvidia earnings came out, it just went down 170 points, and I was like, there goes 170 points of unrealized profits. Kind of disappointing though, not gonna lie. I mean, it's just greed, pure greed. I shouldn't have like waited that long. I mean, 170 points is a lot. I'm playing a game on the side. It's called freaking Sim Companies, and like, just like everything in the game just shocks me, because like they have like a whole freaking thing. So like, if you want to enter construction, there are like so many routes in construction. If you want to enter like freaking building cars, you enter inside building cars. If you want to like, I don't know, just like retail stuff, you retail. If you want to like produce and sell, you can do that. If you want to wholesale, you can do that. Like, it's huge. If you want to just like, what do you call, just like build everything yourself and sell everything yourself, even that's possible. And then like, there's like recession, boom, and normal economy times and things. There's like a whole newspaper calendar every single day. It's like huge as hell. Like, I was shocked. I was impressed by the game. I mean, I've been playing it for a month now, and it seriously doesn't feel like a month. My company value is about like 4 million right now, and I mean, it's low. Like, I was reading the group chat in that, and people were complaining that it's like really bad times right now. Like, there's no profit in the market, and I was like, what do you mean? I mean, yeah, I have cash flow problems, but I thought I was new, so I had them. But like, still, like, I mean, the game is pretty huge. Like, right now in my inventory, I have like 1.6 million worth of goods in the warehouse, and I don't even think most of that is counted towards my company value. Like, I have stuff for sale that totals to like 227k. You get like a whole freaking balance sheet, an income statement, every single buy or sell you do. You get like a whole freaking log of it as well. It's like so crazy. Like, that game could literally sell for millions or billions. It could like be a really huge game, but like, I mean, I'm not seeing people talk about it. I mean, I play that game, so if you guys will, you'll find me. My name is just Motherfucker Inc. on that. $10 to open. 10 minutes to open. I might sit on push to talk. Like I don't know what to talk about. Like genuinely. Like look at this price action, bro. Like this 30-second wasn't respected. This one it was. Yeah, there's no SMT either over there. No over there also. Like yeah, look at this. This 5 minute got inverse stop burn. Yes, it didn't. So yeah, should just like come back down. And we have SMT at the highs, so that should hold. But like it's just pure chop. Like if you want to enter this for sells, what you do is wait for like a 1 minute fair value gap, bearish one, to try enter maybe after a sweep of this, or it can even just form right now and then you enter off that. But like it's just pure chop. I feel like eating something, but it's gonna be so loud. I literally need to sit and push to talk for that. Like this microphone literally picks up sound from everything. Like honestly. Someone bought 10 grand worth of meme coins. People in meme coins are crazy, honestly. I mean, I've bought something, I even talked about it yesterday, but like, it's crazy. It's not moved since, and then the day before it moved up like 2000 freaking percent. Possibly looks like it's going to leave a 1 minute gap right now. Yeah, so like, okay, so if price action is clearing up, we will close below this in like the next 1 or 2 candles, and like maybe leave a fair value gap as well. But yeah, seems like now we're making better price action. So we just needed to wait a little longer for it to just do its thing. I mean, yeah, you could say that we started making better price action here, but I wouldn't have entered this. I wasn't confirmed here. This is a 1 minute BPR, so you'd short off there and then go break even once it takes this. Oof, there was a small ass SMT now that I look at it. I'm not sure, let me confirm. Yeah, so there was a SMT because this one wasn't taken on ES, but it was taken on NQ and BPR. I don't know, not interested. I wasn't interested. I wasn't feeling it. I am still not taken or stop loss. So yeah, I'm gonna have something. So I'm gonna sit and push the talk. Wow, it's going to hit this relative equal lows. The SMT we saw in the start, down was the indication to go lower. I just wasn't comfortable with the chop and the freaking this. We wait for a buy setup soon. Oh, it's possible it doesn't even come. Yeah, okay. At least we know the bias. Oof. Why am hit a stop loss? Lol. Didn't even see that. I'll short this if it gets respected one more time. We need a down close candle on this, then I'll short. Wow. Did it close above? I don't know. Oof. I'm just chasing price. Like, it's over. Yeah, my sound is off. My mic was off. I was just sitting here. Because I'm having something. I'm having food. Yeah. Oh, stop loss, bro. Basically. Yeah, I'll just assume we cut it off here. I mean, should at least tap into this gap and then go lower. because after such a dump it usually does this like green candle and then continues lower. It does that sort of thing. That's why I entered this trade. But like yeah, it's like a B setup. I'll just go break even once we hit target, because I have potential that we can go way lower. Yeah, we'll take it off at this. But yeah, basically the draw the whole day was correct. But yeah, we just didn't get a fucking entry. And then we have more news at 10. So let's after 10 we can get like a better setup. But yeah, like break even, stupid bitch. Sorry. I don't think there are any kids here though. I can't be asked. It just wicked us and it'll go lower. Yeah, I guess the smarter thing was to take it off there. Whatever. Keep in mind we have that data wick for later on in the future. But yeah, I mean, I don't know when you joined, but the draw is basically lower. Like all of this, possibly this low. So like 382 is the draw. So I mean, it'll take a couple of days, but that's a draw. And this is the move the whole day. So there was a SMT at the highs that I missed initially, and then we saw it later on, but there was nothing to enter off of. I mean, if it respected this 5 minute gap, then yeah, maybe I would have shorted. It would look good. But other than that, there's literally nothing. Like, it disrespected this. Yes, respected. I mean, it does do this, but like, it's not A plus because high resistance liquidity conditions. You don't want to be touching those. You want to do the low resistance. And it was high resistance until freaking 9:30. So 9:30 just drove everything down. I doubt we'll even get something. I don't know. Maybe we can go down all the way to previous day low. That's like 100 points still. Yeah, I guess we'll try find a setup for that. But if we don't, we don't. I mean, there's this huge 5 minute gap. We'll keep our eyes on. It's guaranteed gonna leave this as a 15. Not guaranteed, but like should leave this as a 15 minute gap. And then hopefully it doesn't take these two lows. So when we get something and we take this second low, we can go break even off that. But yeah, we close somewhere here, we go back up somewhere till here 900, and then maybe previous day low. Oh, there's gonna be a third. Oh, there's no. Yeah, like there's no single fair value gap, but we should tap into this area one more time. If not now, the next 15 minute candle. So right there, the time 45. So till then, we just sit and wait. Patience pays. Okay, so I like this 30-second. You go break even at this wick. If it closes above, we have a SMT at the low, so your stop is this wick low. Only if it closes above. It closed above. If this closes below the 30-second again, just close the position manually. But if it doesn't close below, you can ride it. I guess full targets for this would be here. And it closed below. So you get out. Can't be asked. I think I'm done because literally what the draw was, it literally hit it. The draw was these two lines, the 15-minute relative equal lows, and it fucking just hit it. Wow, and yeah, it chopped around and then boom, now I'll go hit TP. I think I'm done for today. This is genuinely pissing off. Yeah, we clearly closed below. I mean, you would be break even now if you're still in this. Enjoy, and then we hit this high after I exited. Nice, well done. You should be break even. Be careful, there's SMT now. You should be break even. Yeah, there's literally nothing to enter off of. Pissing off. But like, yeah, today is kind of a day. Like, if like news doesn't do anything, 9:30 market open is a news event. So that's what drives price to places, and that's exactly what happened today. Moment 9:30 hit, we just dumped like a shitload. I mean, it's possible we go all the way down to previous day low. Let's wait for 10 a.m. news. Until then, I'm sitting on push to talk. If you guys have something to talk about, we can. I mean, draw is clearly lower after such a big move. Yeah, unless 10 a.m. news does something weird, then it's different. But like, we should form this fair value gap right here. Like, this should be a fair value gap. So this one, and then the next 15 minutes or 10 a.m. and then we see what 10 a.m. news does, and then hopefully we can try and get a short setup down to previous day low. But yeah, This alert has gone off. Let's take a look at what this is. Hmm. I mean, we do have a small SMT over here, but we have 10 a.m. news, so better to stay out. Even if you get something, I doubt it'll be really good. This light size and basically weeks over whatever your PNL is basically all. I mean, tomorrow, yeah, maybe you can catch some scalping entries or something like that. Or also the day after, maybe you can catch some scalps or something like that. But other than that, uh, I think we're done. So what I'll do, I'll see if we retrace into this. Could be a good place to short off. Although if we retrace all this, I don't know if we'll really go back down all this unless there's 10 a.m. news that takes us up all of that. If it does, then yeah, could be, but I don't know. Today is 100% a choppy day, and there's nothing you can do about it. Although I wouldn't really call it chop if we got this cells. Oh lol, that's crazy. I don't even know what to do, man. I'm so bored. I'm just like looking at reels. Let's try pull up someone else's stream on this. How would that be possible? I don't know if you guys know about Tanya. Maybe we can pull up and see Tanya's stream and see what's going on there. Let me just work on putting that up, and then can you guys hear the audio for this? If you can hear audio on this, please let me know so I can just know from there. Can you can hear yours, not hers? How am I meant to share hers? Capture cursor. Desktop audio. Yeah. Now maybe you can hear.
Yeah, around that. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool.
Can you hear her? Oh, she's in a short right now. On ES. Interesting.
Hmm. Yeah, ES should be respecting definitely that high for continuing to be bearish.
I don't want to take anything in NQ. Yeah, okay.
See what happens after NQ takes us low.
I
Ideally,
think
we
she's
don't like.
forgotten this 10 a.m. news.
Yeah, and I'm okay. I'm actually okay holding this through 10 a.m. news.
Oh, she's okay holding it through 10 a.m. Interesting.
And we close below. Little
Is
volume
ICT in here?
imbalance.
ICT is in
See
here
us
sometimes.
continuously drop here, lower ideally. And let's make a new low of the day would be ideal.
I think she's in 3 minis on ES. That's a 5-point stop. That's like, I don't know, freaking $500 stop loss. Holy shit.
It's just, it is a lot cleaner. I mean, okay, here's NQ breaking new low of day. I'm breaking that hourly low there into this imbalance. Ideally, we don't get like ideally get some continuation and not this like wick there. Towards
Yeah,
previous day low.
that's kind of what I want to see. I want to see a wick
We'll
there.
see.
Like, not really a wick, but
Could
like,
be
I want to
very
see a
erratic
retracement
today.
into this gap. You see this gap we formed right here? I want to
See
see
here,
like a
5 minutes left in
retracement
this
into it.
hourly candle actually. 5 minutes left until the 10 a.m.
Go on mute. Okay. So ideally, you want to see us retrace back into this this gap here, and then we write it down to previous day low. So basically, not this 15 minutes, the next one should hopefully tap into this gap, and then we get some sort of setup from there, and then we go down to previous day low. I don't know why she's taking ES.
So that's why I went with ES today. Okay, so
Mhm.
NQ's like candle actually. 5 minutes left until
I want to
the
listen
10
to what
a.m.
she said.
news. Like, I'm actually okay with holding this ES short, even if it takes longer. Just kind of how ES is. NQ just like, it did retrace into here, but I didn't really even see that much of a good RR entry, especially since it's erratic and can come back again into here, messier stop up. So that's why I went with
It's what you
ES
want.
today.
That's exactly what you want. We wanted to come back, mess up everyone's stop who took it on
I'd like to see
NQ,
further distribution,
and then we short from there. And I want to see this high get taken
Maybe I'll like
again on
hold
NQ.
one more as a runner. I don't know.
And I don't know, do you guys know how to fix this? It says subscribe only mode, and I'm freaking subbed, so I don't even know what the hell is happening. So
I
yeah,
can still
I don't
even
know how
get
to
stopped
fix
out
this.
because
It says 5 minutes or longer. I've
who
been
knows?
more sub
Sometimes
for
ES
like,
and
I don't
NQ
know,
are completely out of sync, but they are
5
going
days.
lower. They are going lower both. So
I'm going to close the stream up. Yeah, this is where we want to get an entry from. So I'm going to put a alert there. Mark our previous day low in a red candle. This one to be red, and oops, it's not red. What turned red? Something turned red. Okay, it's not turning red. Okay, it's red. Now let's think about possibilities to go down. So we take this off. 10 a.m. Yeah, so 10 a.m. news we stall, and then you go back into this gap and then go down from there. That's the most ideal situation I see. I'm taking off my headphones because if I have them on, it like feels so like, I don't know. I need to get wired ones. Wireless ones are bad. I mean, we do have a SMT here and here. I mean, a SMT right here would be good. So ES takes this, moves up one more tick. We are forming a 1 minute gap with the order block, so oof. OB. OB. Do we have a SMT down here? I think we do. Yes, this low has not been taken, and it's taken on NQ. We don't have any manipulation to the upside yet on this 4 hour, so what I'm thinking is this 4 hour wick needs to come tap into this gap, or like at least needs to go higher to at least like, I don't know, 75, 76, maybe 80, somewhere there. Like estimate it needs to go higher. It can't just start here. Like, come on, like that's like a 1% probability. So we get something like that, and then we go up at least till somewhere here. Once we hit this high, we go break even, and then could be clean. If ES doesn't take this low, we get a SMT there. Oof, is this 5 second? You can take this. If it plays. Yeah, so this 10 second is good. If we close above this 10 second, then yeah. Oof, there's probably a 5 second in here. Nope. No 5 second. I don't know, I'm just feeling that will go up. Like, look at this wick. If we close above, Holy, yeah, this next candle should just close above. Closed above. Hard stop is down there, but if we close below this 10-second gap, we just exit manually. And this is where you go break even. Or if there's something to go break even off of something else, I will update. If you want to be super safe, you can go break even once it takes this high is here again. I will personally wait for this red line to get taken. There's the 15-minute gap up there. I mean, could be a big move up. 50 points is possible if we inverse this. 7 seconds. We didn't. Could be a bad sign. We wanted to get inversed, so I'm gonna go break even just because of that, because since it didn't inverse, it can come back down, and then it can inverse after it kicks us out. But then, like, just be safe, guys. Just be safe. Oh, now that I made that one red, every single line I'll put is red. That's another thing about TradingView I don't like. Like, if we take the red line, then I'm pretty sure we're safe. But like, if it doesn't take the red line and then it wicks us out and then goes up, I'll kind of be angry about that. But if it takes the red line and then comes down, I'll be fine with that. Yeah, and it's going to kick us out right here, and then we continue up like it always does. Did it close above the 1 minute? Nope, it didn't. Oof, I'm happy with that break even, since we didn't close above the 1 minute. That's the reason we stalled. And if this is a wick and then we go up and close above, holy shit, that's like a really good setup then. That's literally what's happening. That's literally what's happening. Now this one will go and hit the red line. Watch. It just needed liquidity. That's why it wicked down. If it closes above, then it just needed liquidity. If it doesn't close above, then yeah, I entered off impulse, which is wrong. That's why I'm not a billionaire or millionaire yet. It's still not closed above. If this candle doesn't close above, then yeah, it's like a bad setup, a really bad one. Yeah, as long as this 10-second gets respected, we're good. If it doesn't get respected, then yeah, GG's. I would put a stop here. It got respected still. I thought it was going to bleed through and we were going to get wrecked. Macro. We're still in the macro. Oof. Yeah, you see we closed above and now sky's the limit. Just go take that, go take that wick, please. Just freaking go above that wick so we can go break even. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I've not yet gone break even. I'm still holding the stop loss. We need to go and take this wick right up here. Okay, it's kind of eating my head now. This 30 seconds needs to just fly. Like, what is this? There you go. Stop loss hit, because yeah, we closed below. Oof. We took too long, so I'll try this again if we inverse this 30 second. I mean, this 10-second gap, if we were to close right on it and then close above it again, I would have longed. But yeah, let's just wait. The 30 second, this one, I'm actually going to like increase the size in this, because this 30 second, yeah, like zero displacement, sorry, my bad, zero displacement below this. I don't know how to fucking say things. Zero displacement below this like sweep. And so if we get momentum like in the next 1 or 2 candles, we need to inverse that. Is no more like high probability. It needs to happen quick. Like if it doesn't happen quick, wait, maybe you get a SMT here. Look, ES hasn't taken this. Oh, ES took it. Never mind. Never mind. Let's wait. Patience, patience, patience pays. I don't know why I'm longing this. I'm like going on tilt right now. I can feel it. I'm not being myself. I'm like chasing prize just because I wanted to freaking like go to that 15-minute gap. Just because I want price to go till here. I'm chasing it. Like, there's not even a fucking valid setup. Why the fuck am I longing a 5-second fair value gap? Am I fucking ICT? Like, this is a really bad trade. Like, what the fuck is this? What is stocks doing? Down. Stop. Just hit it at this point. Stupid. Yeah, there you go. That's basically a stop loss. Like one tick away. Come on. Nvidia's down 3%. This is dumping. Was there SMT on this? I can't see that. Okay, no, there wasn't. Give me a fucking long to the gap. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. Where's London low? London high. We haven't gone up to London high. I don't know. I'm gonna sit on push a talk. I'm kind of going on tilt. I can feel it. So, yeah. I'm just chasing, like, okay, two things I saw. This big gap with respect to inverse this gap, done. So once we take this high, I go break even. Most likely we get stopped out break even. So, yeah. There's nothing else. I'm just fucking chasing price to the fucking... I don't know why. Like, we've not even closed above this 1 minute. Yeah. Like, when we close above this one, when we tap into this one, then we can respect kick us out. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't know why I'm going on tilt. Like, I'm kind of pissed that we missed the move in the morning. And I need to fucking work on that. Like, that's the reason why I keep failing. Like, that's the reason I fucking go on tilt. I need to find a way to get through that. Once we take this high right here, I go break even. So, I mean, I would consider that as taken the high. I mean, technical terms, not really, we're in the same tick, but like, yeah. If it kicks me out, fuck this, bro. I'm just going offline. Like, I'm done. I'm pissed. Okay, now this one, all the way to the fucking 15 minute, yeah, till up there. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. I don't care. I'm going off. One trade, we're just gonna sit and watch this, and that's all. I don't even fucking care about anything else at this point. Can't be fucking asked. Pissed. I'm fucking pissed. Yeah, I think I'm ending stream. I'm ending stream right here. I'm done.